My name is Jóhannes Sveinbjörnsson. I'm from Iceland and I work for the Agricultural University of Iceland as an associate professor, and I'm also a sea farmer. The institution is Work Package Leader for work packages number 4 and 5, identifying firstly the challenges and needs and barriers to adopting digital solutions, and then the number 5 is more about the solutions. My role in the project is to be a national facilitator for Iceland. In Iceland we have both sheep and dairy cattle as the main livestock sectors. There are also some goats, but especially for the sheep, digital solutions that have to do with tracking animals are very interesting because we are using the rangelands quite extensively. About 60% of Iceland is used for grazing sheep. There are long distances and challenges in gathering the sheep and finding them again after the summer grazing period. So we are very interested in that part. Drones are also interesting because of the same things, finding the animals and also to observe their behavior. And then at the farm level, these techniques are useful both for the sheep and the cattle. And that is especially the electronic ear tags and everything that has to do with utilizing this more, for herding the animals and for feeding more correctly and managing.